हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू द सेशन 12। सो आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं शुड हैव, कुड हैव एंड वुड हैव। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट शुड हैव। एज वी हैव डिस्कस चाहिए था, मैंने उसको इनवाइट किया, वो पार्टी में नहीं आया, उसे पार्टी में आना चाहिए था। ही शुड हैव कम इन द पार्टी। I invited him on my birthday, but he didn't come. He should have come on my birthday. उसे पढ़ना चाहिए था एग्ज़ाम में। He should have studied hard in the exam. Okay. You should have taken medicines. उसने मेडिसिन नहीं ली टाइम पर, इसलिए वो क्योर नहीं हो पाया। He did not take the medicine, that's why he is not cured. उसे मेडिसिन लेनी चाहिए थी। He should have taken the medicines. So like this, okay, टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए था। He shouldn't have wasted his time. So like this is the way to say should have. बात करते हैं could have। could have में भी हमने लास्ट वीडियो में हमने बताया कि मैं ये कर सकता था, वह ये कर सकता था। मैं उसको जवाब दे सकता था, लेकिन मैंने दिया नहीं क्योंकि मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा। I didn't want, but I could have replied him. वह अच्छे नंबर ला सकता था एग्ज़ाम में, लेकिन उसने कोशिश नहीं करी। He didn't try, but he could have got the highest marks in the class. You could have come at my home. तुम पैसे मांग सकते थे। You could have asked for the money. मैं उसको सबक सिखा सकता था। I could have taught him a lesson. Next, we are just going to talk about would have. देखिए, would have कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस के बेस पर आता है, और जब हम would have का यूज़ करते हैं तो साथ में हम इसमें एक चीज़ और ऐड कर लेते हैं, had। देखिए, जो would have है कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस का मतलब होता है कि मैं ये कर लेता, मैं ऐसा हो जाता, वह कर लेता यदि ऐसा ना होता तो। सो इसमें हम बात करेंगे हैड प्लस वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म, इसके साथ में यूज़ होता है वुड हैव प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म। तो इस कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस में दो हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स यूज़ होती हैं, लाइक एक तो हैड प्लस वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म, देन वुड हैव प्लस वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म। जैसे हम कहते हैं कि यदि तुम मुझे बुलाते तो मैं आ जाता। तुमने मुझे बुलाया नहीं इसलिए मैं नहीं आया। You didn't invite me, so I didn't come. हाँ, यदि बुलाते तो मैं आ जाता। If you had invited me, then I would have come. Okay? यदि वह मुझे बुलाता तो मैं आता। If he had invited me, then I would have gone. मेरा गला ख़राब है, इसलिए मैं गाना नहीं गा पाया। I had a sore throat, that's why I could not sing a song. हाँ, यदि मेरा गला ख़राब नहीं होता तो मैं गाना गा लेता। If I hadn't got sore throat, I would have sung a song. पापा ने मेरे को पैसे नहीं दिए, जिसकी वजह से मैं बाइक नहीं खरीद पाया। My father didn't give me the money, that's why I couldn't buy the car. I couldn't buy the motorcycle. यदि मेरे पापा मेरे को पैसे दे देते तो मैं गाड़ी खरीद लेता। If my father had given me the money, then I would have bought a car. So means यदि मेरे पास पैसे होते तो मैं तेरी मदद कर देता। If I had got money, I would have helped you. मीन्स यहाँ पर हम बात कर रहे होते हैं कंडीशनल या कंडीशन लगी होती है कि यदि ऐसा होता तो ऐसा हो जाता। मैंने उसका हाथ पकड़ लिया, नहीं तो वो गिर जाता। I hold him, otherwise he would have fallen. So I caught his hand, otherwise he would have jumped into the river. मैंने उसका हाथ पकड़ लिया, नहीं तो नदी में वो कूद जाता। If I hadn't caught his hands, so he would have jumped into the river. Okay? So you didn't take the medicine at the time, that's why you fall sick. यदि तुम मेडिसिन ले लेते, if you had taken the medicine, you wouldn't have fallen sick. If you had taken the precautions, you wouldn't have suffered from the coronavirus. So like this we have to say, यदि तुम मुझे बता देते तो मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर देता. If you had told me, I would have helped you. So like this, if I had gone to the Agra, I would have seen the Taj Mahal. यदि मेरे एग्ज़ाम नहीं होते तो मैं एग्ज़ाम में आ जाता. If I hadn't got exam, then I would have come in the party. Okay. यदि तुम पढ़ाई पर ध्यान देते तो तुम्हारा सिलेक्शन हो जाता. If you had focused on your study, you would have got selection. उसने फॉर्म ही नहीं भरा, इसलिए उसका सिलेक्शन नहीं हो पाया. If he had filled the form, he would have got selection. उसने मैच नहीं खेला, सचिन तेंदुलकर ने मैच नहीं खेला, इसलिए मैच इंडिया हार गई. If Sachin had played the match, then India won't have lost the match. Yes. यदि मुझे पता होता कि आज बारिश हो जाएगी तो मैं बाहर नहीं निकलता. If I had known that it would be raining today, I won't have come outside today. So तो मेरे साथ एक बार लगातार कंटिन्यू प्रैक्टिस करिए. सो I didn't go to Agra, that's why I didn't see the Taj Mahal. If I had gone to the Agra, I would have seen the Taj Mahal. He didn't study hard in the exam, that's why he didn't pass in the exam. If he had studied hard in the exam, he would have passed. उसने चाय नहीं बनाई, he didn't prepare the tea, that's why I didn't take tea. If he had prepared the tea, I would have taken tea. यदि तुम उससे रिक्वेस्ट करते, you did not request him. You did not request him, that's why he didn't accept your proposal. यदि तुम उससे रिक्वेस्ट करते तो वो तुम्हारा प्रपोजल रिक्वेस्ट एक्सेप्ट कर लेता. If you had requested him, he would have accepted your proposal. तुमने कोशिश ही नहीं करी, इसलिए तुम्हारा सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ. You didn't try, that's why you didn't get selection. If you had tried, you would have got selection. यदि वह पार्टी में आता तो मैं वहाँ नहीं रुकता. If he had come in the party, I wouldn't have stayed in the party. I wouldn't have, would not have, wouldn't have. I wouldn't have stayed in the party. Okay. यदि मैंने उसको वहाँ रोक लिया होता तो उसके साथ झगड़ा ना होता. If I had stopped him at my home, he wouldn't have gone to the fight. यदि तुम पढ़े लिखे होते तो तुम आज कुछ और होते. If you had been literated, you would have been something different today. यदि वह पार्टी में जाता तो शराब पीता. If he had gone to the party, he would have consumed liquor. यदि वो मेडिसिन नहीं लेता तो वो मर जाता. If he had not taken the medicine, if he hadn't taken the medicine, he would have been dead. So like this, we'll be using more and more practice. I hope you could understand. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day and have a nice day. Bye.